Hi, I'm Kate, and today I'm going to share with you everything about our DNA watch, the first Harper watch. So the watch comes in this hard box. Once you open it, you are going to find a velvet pouch perfect for storing. The watch comes in two different colors, black, like this one, and the white. The white is a very limited edition, and once it's sold out, it won't be restocked. Our DNA watch is made in stainless steel, the same material as all of our jewelry. So it means that you can put hand cream, perfume, do exercise, it won't lose color. Also, the watch is water resistant, which means that you need to avoid direct contact with water. It is adjustable and it comes with this extender that works like this. You just need to open it, add it to the watch, and you immediately make it one size bigger. Zooming in on the dial, you can see it has Roman numerals. And here on the crown, it has a little Swarovski crystal. These little details make all the difference. Let me show you how to open and wear it. So basically, you just need to open the clasp like this, put it around the wrist, pass it through, and close it. Again, if you need to go a size up, you just need to add the extender and basically repeat the same process. Open the clasp, pass it through, and close it. And it's done. This was a close look at our DNA watch. We hope you love it. If you have any question, you just need to contact us. Thank you!